It's raining today, gang, and it's going to stop in a little bit. But right now, man, it's coming down like bad. So we got like a 2-hour delay. It's kind of like a baseball game. You have a delay. Jeff's got a delay. Do you got a delay? You got a delay. So today it's raining. And Jeff draws pretty pictures.
Trying to draw pretty pictures. Trying to do a little job.
Yeah, what's going on, Jeff? We got something coming up?
We got something coming up. Hopefully sooner than later, but what is it, August?
August, you guys are gonna wanna be here because in August we're gonna do something super cool. Deep dive landscape event here at the Rack Group headquarters. So be ready. We will do that. I'm gonna tell you guys more about it. And when we set it up, it's gonna be super cool. So I want you guys to, I don't have the date yet, but I will, I'll get it. But anyway, right now we're dealing with rain. Look at that, whoa. Now it stopped raining. It was supposed to be a pretty big, heavy storm, and of course, that didn't happen. So, guys are back, everybody's going out. All right, so one more thing before I get on the road, I want to talk to you guys about job descriptions. Do you guys have job descriptions? I hope so. I have an example right here of a foreman job description I'll go over with you guys. So real quick, like how to set up a foreman job description, because I'm sure that a lot of you have people working for you. Even if you don't have foremen, you can do this for your crew people. It's super easy. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you can steal the ideas I'm going to show you here in a second. So check this out. All right, so if you take a look at this, you know, I'm not a super technical guy when it comes to being able to post this kind of stuff, so I'm just going to show it to you like this. But if you look at this job description here, I have a little introduction on top. We have some requirements as far as experience are concerned, and then job requirements just in general, which go on to the next page. At the bottom, it talks about the work hours and our schedule and some of the benefits that we have. Now, if you look at this just kind of in detail, at the very beginning here, we're just basically talking about, here's an introduction to the company. You know, like, this is what your duties are going to be. This is what you're going to have to do as a foreman. You know, the rules and regulations and all that stuff are listed in our employee manual, so I go over that with them also when they first start. Also, basically, it tells you that you're a representative of the company and basically just sets the tone. You know, it sets the tone. The next part is the experience. So what do you want your foreman to have? Do you want your foreman, for us, we're hoping for somebody that has a couple years experience in the green industry or has worked with Southwest for a couple of years. We also like them to attend the Ohio State University pruning class, and we also ask them to attend a couple green industry seminars or classes every year. The next thing are your requirements. Like, what do you want them to do? So, you know, basically a foreman, what are the credentials? What do they have to do? So we want them to have like a fundamental knowledge of the ability to run equipment, you know, used by our company, the ability to train their crew members and mentor their crew members, a knowledge of all the areas of the particular accounts, which basically that's something that I'll go over with them, or the ops manager will go over with them. The ability to manage an account. You know, communication, can they communicate? Do they have ability to communicate? The ability to lead your crew, the ability and experience to troubleshoot and diagnose equipment problems in the field, a thorough knowledge of the basic regional plant material, and the ability to hand prune and shear shrubs. Fill out our job forms, which we don't use anymore. We use LMN, so they have to have that on their smartphone. And then it talks a little bit about, you know, the work hours. You know, set the tone, let them know they're going to be working. These are the hours. They start at 7:30, they end at 5 or 6. And then what are the benefits? You know, some of the benefits that we do at our company, or did do at our company. Some of them we don't do anymore. So anyway, when you guys are doing things like job descriptions, just put something together. It's really important. I hope you can use the information I just gave you there and tailor it for your company. It sets the tone. It helps make it a more professional organization when you start somebody out at your company, or maybe you got somebody that you're going to put into a foreman position. Set the tone with them right away. Give them a job description. It doesn't take that long. It's not that hard. You can do it on your computer. You can have, you know, your if you have an office person that can do it for you. But feel free to use this. I'm fine with that. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. And we have job descriptions for every position here. So from our office manager to our account manager to operations, everything. Even people that don't even work here, I have job descriptions for, because when they do come in, for example, like a salesperson, I already have that job description. I had a person working in that area. They're not anymore, but it's good to have that. Have an employee manual, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I just want to share that with you guys. I hope it helps. When we do our event here, we're going to get into things like job descriptions. We're going to get into things like employee manuals, like setting up systems, doing all that kind of stuff for your company. Kind of getting you set up, and also, helping you guys with things like sales and marketing, things like that. So we're going to do that all sometime in October. You guys can come out here, have a facility tour, and then we've done these before, and they've done really well. So I hope you guys can make it. We'll get you the information soon.